हैं हु among the following laid the foundation of Chola Empire in 9th century AD? किसने चोला एम्पायर बनाया? तो विजयाला चोला, विजयाला 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 चोला 850 to 871 AD was the founder of imperial Chola dynasty that rose after कलब्र इंटेग्रनम, मतलब एक खाली था स्पेस, उसके बाद से ये हैं. He captured Thanjavur from the Muttariers and established his capital there. This marked the beginning of medieval Chola Empire, not to be confused with Sangam Chola of the early historic period. अच्छा मतलब ये विजय वाला चोला जो था ये मिडिवल पीरियड वाले थे. कृष्ण फर्स्ट ए राष्ट्रकूट किंग नॉट रिलेटेड टू चोला, फेमस फॉर बिल्डिंग कैलाश टेम्पल. Raja Chola, grandson of Vijayala, from 985 to 1014 AD, expanded the empire and built Brihadeshwar temple. Parantaka, son of Aditya I, grandson of Vijayala, consolidated Chola power. Okay. Who was the founder of Chola dynasty? Vijayala. ठीक है. करिकल, ये ए प्रोमिनेंट संगम चोला किंग, ये करिकल जो थे संगम चोला किंग थे. क्रेडिटेड विथ बिल्डिंग कल्लानी ग्रैंड अनिकट डैम ऑन कावेरी. करिकल ने कल्लानी मतलब ग्रैंड अनिकट डैम बनाया था कावेरी पे. आदित्य फर्स्ट, सन ऑफ विजयाला, राजा फर्स्ट, फेमस फॉर मिलिट्री कैंपेन्स. कल्लानी इज स्टिल फंक्शनल टुडे, वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स ओल्डेस्ट वाटर डाइवर्जन स्ट्रक्चर्स. ठीक है. Which one of the following temple complexes has a massive statue of Nandi considered to be the biggest in India? तो बृहदेश्वर temple in Thanjavur, built by Raja Chola first 1010 AD, houses one of the largest Nandi bull idols in India, made from a single stone. Nandi is Lord Shiv Vahan vehicle and is commonly found facing the सैंक्टम, मतलब मंदिर को फेस करते हुए बनाया गया. बृहदेश्वर. लिंगराज टेम्पल भुवनेश्वर उड़ीसा, बिल्ट बाय कलिंग स्टाइल, डेडिकेटेड टू शिव विष्णु. कंदरिया महादेव टेम्पल खजुराहो, बिल्ट बाय चंदेला रूलर, फेमस फॉर नागर स्टाइल. लिपाछी टेम्पल आंध्र प्रदेश, फीचर्स ए ह्यूज नंदी बट नॉट द लार्जेस्ट. बृहदेश्वर इज पार्ट ऑफ यूनेस्को ग्रेट लिविंग चोला टेम्पल्स, considered the epitome of Dravidian architecture. Brihadeshwar temple of Thanjavur was built during the reign of which Chola ruler? Raja first. Constructed around 1010 AD, this temple symbolizes Chola power, piety and patronage of arts. Built with granite, the Viman temple tower is among the tallest in India, 66 meters. Pratantaka first ruled earlier. Rajendra first, son of Raja I, built Gangai Konda Cholapuram. राजा वन ने ये बनाया, क्या कहा जाता है, राजा वन ने ये बनाया, अरे अपना बृहदेश्वर टेम्पल, और राजेंद्र फर्स्ट ने गंगई कोंडा चोलापुरम बनाया. Raja Dhiraj first, later Chola ruler, died in battle in 1052 CE. The temple's dome is capped by 80-ton stone placed without modern machinery. कैसे रखा होगा बताइए. In which region was the Chola Empire expanded? Coromandel coast and some region of Deccan. Chola Empire stretched from Tungabhadra river north to the Indian Ocean south. Included parts of modern Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Coromandel caste was crucial for maritime trade with Southeast Asia. Vijayanagar area emerged later 14th century में. Malabar coast dominated by Chera dynasty, later by Jamurine of Calicut. इसी समय वो आया था, अरे Vasco da Gama. Hoysala region ruled by Hoysala in Karnataka post Chola period. Used Chola naval maritime. अच्छा. The capital of Chola was Tanjore. Tanjore was the capital under Vijayala and his successor. Later, Gangaikonda Cholapuram was established by Rajendra I. उरैयूर was the capital during संगम एज. संगम एज के टाइम में जो चोला रूलर थे उनका जो था वो क्या था, उरैयूर कैपिटल था. लेकिन मिडिल पीरियड में थंजावुर, जिसको विजययाला ने इस्टेब्लिश किया था. आगे चल के गंगईकोंडा चोलापुरम बना, जिसको राजा फर्स्ट की बेटी राजेंद्र फर्स्ट ने वो किया. कावेरी पट्टिनम पोर्ट सिटी, महाबलीपुरम पल्लव कैपिटल. कांचीपुरम आल्सो एसोसिएटेड विथ पल्लव. तंजोर was a cultural hub known for bronze sculptures, temple architecture and Tamil literature. अब देखिए, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज स्पेशल फीचर ऑफ चोला एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. तो इसका स्पेशल फीचर था ऑटोनॉमी ऑफ विलेज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. चोला रूल इज नोन फॉर डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड गवर्नेंस. ग्राम सभा एंड उर विलेज असेंबलीज फंक्शनड इंडिपेंडेंटली. उत्तर मेरून इंस्क्रिप्शन डिटेल्स इलेक्शन प्रोसीजर्स, qualification and rules. Mandalam division present but not unique to Chola. Full powers to minister. Power rested largely with the king. Tax collection efficient but not uniquely Chola specific. The Chola age was most famous for village assemblies. Chola era saw sophisticated system of rural governance. Assembly of Ur Sabha Nagaram managed everything, tax collection to judicial matters. This autonomy is praised in many epigraphic. Ur Sabha and Nagaram. War with Rashtrakuta did happen, जैसे Battle of Tokallam, but not the defining feature. Chola was most famous for village assemblies. Trade with Ceylon. Chola has strong ties with Sri Lanka, even conquered under Raja first, but not unique. Advancement of Tamil culture true, but secondary to their village governance. Chola era was famous for village assemblies. The Chola rule is particularly remembered for its highly organized rural administration. Local self-governing bodies like Ur, common village, Sabha, assembly of Brahmin villages, Ur, common village, Nagaram, trading towns, were empowered. The Uttar Merun inscription, 10th century AD, provide detailed procedure for election, qualification of members and disqualifications, etc. Religious development. While temples and Saivism flourished, this was not their most distinguished feature. Warfare with Rashtrakuta, major battle Tokkalam, but not defining of the era. Trade from Sri Lanka. True, Chola had extensive overseas trade. ठीक, conquest Sri Lanka under Raja first. But village assembly were most notable achievements. Which southern India state had excellent village administration? Chola administration was decentralized and participatory. The Gram Sabha held real executive power. They oversaw tax collection and land distribution, irrigation, law and order, and even education and temples. Chera, more known for trade via ports like Mujiri and Tondi. Chalukya had a centralized structure, not as documented for village autonomy. Vatapi, not a state but the capital city of the Badami Chalukya. The unique feature of whose administrative system was the development of village autonomy. Chola. Only the Chola inscription, especially the Uttar Merur, Chengalpattu district, describe the working model of autonomous village government. Election were by Kuda Volai system, lot drawing from eligible names. Uttar Merur Chengalpattu district describe working model of autonomous village government. Elections were by Kudo-Volai system, lottery to eligible names. Chera prominent in trade, especially with Romans. Pandya Sangam assemblies patronized Sangam assemblies but not known for village governance model. पल्लव ग्रेट बिल्डर्स महाबलीपुरम सबसे ज़्यादा राज करने वाले पांड्या या पांड्या थे. हाँ. डायनेस्टी फेमस फॉर एफिशिएंट रूरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन व चोला. Chola rural governance model is studied globally. Even today, the Gram Sabha model remains reference in debates on grassroots democracy. राष्ट्रकूटा एलिफेंटा एलोरा के केव्स में इन्होंने वो किया था. नोन फॉर टेम्पल पेट्रोनेज एंड नॉर्थर्न एक्सपेंशन. चालुक्य सेंट्रलाइज्ड. पल्लव फोकस्ड ऑन ट्रेड एंड आर्ट. लिटिल एविडेंस ऑफ विलेज सेल्फ गवर्नेंस. Which medieval Indian empire was famous for elaborated local self-government? Chola. Chalukya, important Deccan power. Solanki, Western Indian dynasty known for architecture जैसे रानी की वाव. Parmar, Central Indian dynasty notable for art and literature. A lot of details regarding the village administration under the Chola is provided by the inscription at Uttar Merur. Uttar Merur inscription, 10th century reign of Parantaka I, describes eligibility criteria for candidates, disqualification जैसे tax defaulters, term limits, committee और variums, water, garden, finance. Thanjavur capital city houses बृहदेश्वर टेम्पल. राजा फर्स्ट ने बनवाया था. और गंगई कोंडा चोलापुरम राजेंद्र फर्स्ट ने. उरैयूर संगम एरा कैपिटल ऑफ अर्ली चोलास. कांचीपुरम एसोसिएटेड विद पल्लव. ड्यूरिंग द रूल ऑफ चोला किंग विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वरियम लुक्ड आफ्टर गार्डन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. वरियम मतलब होता है कमेटी, तो गार्डन के लिए थोट्टा. थोट्टा ट्री मतलब ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हैं. थोट्टा ट्री. Thutta Varium was the horticulture board in Chola village assembly. Other key committee eri मतलब पानी, tanks, water bodies. Samvatsara Varium annual review. Samvatsara Varium मतलब पूरा का सार. Pon Varium finance and gold. Pon Varium treasury and finance. Eri ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Samvatsara functioned as annual review board. The Chola defeated Pandya and Chera rulers. सही है. Rulers नहीं rulers. Chola sent a expedition against the Sailendra empire of Southeast Asia. ये भी सही है. Raja first and Rajendra first conquered Pandya and Chera region, consolidating Chola supremacy in peninsular India. Rajendra Chola first conducted the naval expedition to Southeast Asia, defeating Sailendra Empire, modern day Indonesia and Malaysia. राजेंद्र चोला ने. थंजावुर इंस्क्रिप्शन. अच्छा. राजेंद्र फर्स्ट adopted the title गंगई कोंडा चोला and established गंगई कोंडा चोलापुरम. राजेंद्र फर्स्ट ने सैलेंड एम्पायर यानी कि इंडोनेशिया या मलेशिया को कब्जा किया. और राजा फर्स्ट ने श्रीलंका पे. ब्रॉन्ज आइकन ऑफ नटराज कास्ट. ड्यूरिंग द चोला पीरियड इन वेरिएबल्स हो द डाइटी विथ 4 हैंड्स. 4 हाथ हैं. सही है. चोला ब्रॉन्ज आर वर्ल्ड रिनोन्ड फॉर एस्थेटिक ब्यूटी एंड आइकेनोग्राफी प्रिसीशन. नटराज शिव is depicted with 4 arms, 1 hand डमरू drum, 1 अभय मुद्रा fearlessness, 1 points to raised foot liberation, 1 holds fire symbol of destruction. 4 हाथ. 8 hands associated with दुर्गा और अदर शक्ति फॉर्म. उनके 8 हाथ रहते हैं. 6 हाथ मुरुगन या कार्तिकीय डिपिक्शन. 2 hand simplified representation. Chola bronze sculptures were mainly made using the lost wax technique. कायर पर्ड्यू मतलब ऐसे भर के मोमबत्ती उसके बाद उसको पिघला देना. These icons are housed in Brihadeshwar temple museums and global collections. Which one of the following is considered to be the world's greatest iconographical creation made by Sthaptis of South India, particularly during Chola period? तो नटराज idol. The Nataraj idol represents Shiva as cosmic dancer. It is a masterpiece of Chola bronze art. It symbolizes creation, preservation, destruction, illusion, and liberation. The concept was perfected by Chola Sthapatis temple sculptors using the lost wax cast method. महिषासुरमर्दिनी पॉपुलर इन पल्लव एंड चालुक्य आर्ट, जैसे महाबलीपुरम महिषासुरमर्दिनी मर्दिनी. राम कॉमन इन नॉर्थ इंडियन टेम्पल्स. सोमस्कांड चोला era depiction of Shiv, Parvati and Skanda. Somaskanad. The Nataraj image was adopted by CERN, Switzerland, as symbol of cosmic balance in modern physics. Cosmic. Most famous sculpture of Chola age were bronze sculpture of Nataraj Shiv. Chola period bronze 9th to 13th century CE are globally celebrated for their aesthetic grace and technical brilliance. Most were of Shiv deities, especially Nataraj, and a few of Vishnu and Buddhist theme. Stone sculptures common in earlier Pallav temples. Marble sculptures not found in South Indian tradition. Vishnu made up of highlight of Chola, but not the highlight of Chola branch. ठीक है. The famous bronze image of Nataraj is a fine example of Chola art. Nataraj icon is the finest representation of Chola craftsmanship, and in religious bronze statuary, these artworks reflect the maturity of Dravidian art, especially under Raja Raja I and Rajendra I. Gandhara art, Greco-Buddhist art in northwest India, 1st to 5th century Kushan period. Gupta art known for elegance in stone. Sarnath Buddha. Mauryan art famous for polished stone pillars. अशोकन पिलर सांची का अशोक ने बनवाया है, जबकि सारनाथ का गुप्ता ने बनवाया है. दक्षिण मूर्ति आइडल ऑफ शिव डिपिक्ट्स हिम इन विच फॉर्म? टीचर. दक्षिण मूर्ति इज द गुरु फॉर्म ऑफ शिव, symbolizing supreme knowledge and wisdom. He is seated facing south, Dakshin, and teaches through silence, Maun Upadesh. This form is popular in South Indian Shaivism. Dancing refers to Nataraj form, reclining associated with Vishnu, जैसे Ranganath. Meditating similar both but not specific to Dakshin Murti. With reference to the statue of Nataraj, the Lord of Dance, which of the following statement is true? The image represents dancing Shiva having 4 hands. सही है. In his right ear he wears a man earring and a woman's in the left. Left में woman है, right में मर्द है. ठीक. Nataraj is shown with 4 hands holding damaru, fire, performing Abhay Mudra and pointing to raised foot. He wears Ardhanarishwar type earrings to symbolize the union of masculine and feminine. ठीक है. द सर्कल ऑफ फ्लेम्स प्रभा मंडल symbolizes cosmic energy, while the Apsar Mara demon under his foot signifies ignorance. The circle of flame Prabha Mandal symbolizes cosmic energy, while the Apasmara demon under his foot signifies ignorance. In whose tenure 72 traders were sent to China? तो कुलुटुंगा फर्स्ट के समय भेजा गया था. 1077 AD, during the rule of Kulotunga Chola first, a group of 72 Tamil merchants were sent to diplomatic mission to China. Highlight Chola maritime trade and their international diplomatic link. Rajendra first, famous for naval expedition to Southeast Asia, 1025 AD. Raja Raja expanded Chola Empire, initiated maritime power. Raja Dhiraj first, military campaign but not known China missions. ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग साउथ इंडियन states was famous for its naval power? Chola maintained formidable navy with operation extending Sri Lanka, Maldives, Southeast Asia. श्रीलंका मालदीव में राजा फर्स्ट, साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में राजेंद्र फर्स्ट. It ensured control over sea trade routes, port cities and foreign diplomacy. Chera strong in trade but no dominant navy. Pallav focused land-based expansion. Rashtrakuta Central Indian Power Naval Achievement Limited. Chola maritime strategy is model for India's blue economy and Sagar security and growth for all the region. Who among the following dynasties king declared their successor in on tenure? तो चोला के युवराज वो खुद के ही समय बता देते थे. चोला रूलर फॉलोड ए ट्रेडिशन अपॉइंटिंग ए युवराज क्राउन प्रिंस ड्यूरिंग हिज ओन reign to ensure smooth succession. For example, Rajendra I was co-regent under Raja I. चालुक्य में इसी वजह से लड़ाई होती थी. कदम अर्ली कन्नड़ डायनेस्टी नॉट नोन फॉर सक्सेशन. कलचुरी सेंट्रल इंडियन डायनेस्टी. सक्सेशन डिटेल्स. को-रीजेंट मतलब ए जॉइंट रूलर और रीजेंट मीनिंग ए पर्सन हु रूल्स ए कंट्री और टेरिटरी अलोंगसाइड अनदर मोनार्च और रूलर. अच्छा, उनके साथ ही मान लीजिए. ऑफन ए चाइल्ड और इनकैपेसिटेटेड मोनार्च. ओके, तो यहाँ हम लोग का ख़त्म होता है, बाकी आगे वो करते हैं. ठीक, थैंक यू, बाय बाय. थोड़ा आराम करके.